ఇది B2లో వీళ్ళు ఉన్నారండి.
The historical city of heritage city of Warangal. So the land of Telugu people welcoming you. So this is the capital city of Kakatiyas. So welcoming you people all over the world, the Miss World contestants. So here our district administration welcoming you people. Yeah. This is here our district administration staff. So RDO garu, DPRO, SI people are. Yeah. So media background మీరు కొంచెం బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళండి. Please to take.
You can please post for the
Here we people.
Sangeeta, you are
Produce this.
Can you please turn this side to the? Can you please face towards camera?
So that's why we are continuing this art form still now. So we are exporting other countries UK to this one.
We got jade back in 2016.
So our collector
Kakatiya dynasty, they weave diamonds called Ratna Kambalu in the Kakatiya dynasty. That is export to the other kingdoms.
Okay, please move. Kakatiyas. So this we take into the incorporate of our Telangana state emblem. So means that much of value of this Kakatiyas. So now we have a good photo look. You see, this is made with full stone on. This is the silver stone. Take a beautiful torana in front of the beautiful torana of the Miss World team. Welcoming once again the we are hosting the Telangana tourism and Telangana government. Wow. You see, this is also another torana. These are 4 gateways we have: north, east, west, south. You see here also the beautiful Kirti torana, and there are we have 4 gateways. Okay. देखो पीछे देखो ना गाइड को अबे मेरे को भी देखना you see here all the dance forms in those days they carved each and every step. So according to each and every step we can remake the dance form. So while we are doing the dance form, there is no photography and videography in those days, 800 years old back. So when we are dancing, so each and every step carved, each and every step we can mix in the digital mixing, it will make a dance form. So all the art forms, social art forms in those days are what they used. They carved all the pillars, ornaments, what type of ornaments they used in those days, that also they carved. In this, I can show some different things. Please come.
Surya Nandi.
In this universe. So
గౌరవ ప్రజాప్రతినిధులందరికీ సాదర స్వాగతం. గౌరవ లోక్సభ సభ్యులు డాక్టర్
Adab and very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to all our guests to have you join us today for this very special and extraordinary event.
ఆ కాలానికి మనం అందరం ఒక టైం మెషిన్లో వెనక్కి వెళితే ఎలా ఉంటుందో సేమ్ అదే విధంగా మనం వెనక్కి వెళ్ళటం జరుగుతుంది. దిస్ ఈస్ మోర్ దెన్ ఏ విజిట్ టు మౌన్మెంట్. దిస్ ఈస్ సెలబ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ సివిలైజేషన్, ఏ సాల్యూట్ టు హెరిటేజ్ and a bridge between the ancient and the global. The Warangal Fort, a timeless symbol of the mighty Kakatiya dynasty, now of these age of old walls. Welcome you all here.
So just to give
వీరుల స్మృతి శిల్పకళా వైభవానికి ప్రతీకగా నిలిచినటువంటి వేదికగా మారి అంతర్జాతీయ సౌందర్యం సంస్కృతి గౌరవం ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినట్టుగా కనిపిస్తోంది. ఆనరబుల్ మినిస్టర్ ఫర్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ అండ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ సురేఖ గారు.
a very warm welcome to you, ma'am. To the majestic ports.
Guyana, Miss Honduras, Miss Mexico, Miss Nicaragua, Miss Panama, Miss Paraguay, Miss Peru, Miss గౌరవ మంత్రివర్యులు పలకరిస్తున్నారు. ప్రాంతంలో వారి యొక్క అనుభవాలు ఎలా ఉన్నాయి అనేటటువంటి విషయాన్ని గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. వెళితే ఎలా ఉంటుందో అదంతా కూడా ఇప్పుడు అనుభవిస్తాం. సో
of Tourism Development Corporation, we convey our sincere thanks once again for viewing the Sound and Light show.
I hope each and everyone sitting here like this. So if you can give a huge round of applause to the whole team.
కాతో ఎంత గొప్పగా ఆలోచిస్తుందో, ఎంత గొప్ప పీట వేస్తుందో మనం అందరం కూడా ఈ రకంగా గమనించవచ్చు.
వెరీ What a powerful dance it is. The fluidity of the moments can be seen. All are swept away by the beauty, power and passion of the wonderful performers. I want everyone, please put your hands together for this wonderful performance. Zarur Ana, that means please come back and visit us again. So that's what it is in Hindi. I would request Dr. Satya Sharda Ma'am, IAS, to please join me on the stage.
అలాగే ఎస్టీ కమిషన్ జాతీయ సభ్యులు అయినటువంటి ప్రపంచ సుందరీమణుల పోటీల కోసం వచ్చిన ప్రతినిధులు వాళ్ళ మనసులో తెలంగాణ గురించి ఏమనుకుంటున్నారనేటటువంటి విషయాల్ని.
My name is Emma Morrison and I am representing Canada here at the 72nd Miss World Festival. And I am the first Indigenous woman to represent my native land here at Miss World. And being here in India, Telangana, as a cultural woman myself, experiencing the richness of your history, I want to say Miigwech, which means thank you in my native language. Miigwech to Madam Minister, Miigwech to the press, and Miigwech to my fellow queens. And as we were mentioning here before, it is truly beauty with a purpose, and every one of you, you are also special and unique in your own ways, and it's an honor to stand up with you here at Miss World. So Miigwech and Miigwech Telangana. Telangana Zero Ana. Ella Unaru. Miigwech. Namaste.
Thank you so much. Ma'am, I would like to hand over the mic to you.
Good evening, everybody. Namaste, Aap kaisi hai? And also Andhra Banganara. I am Athena Crosby and I'm representing the United States of America. And I just want to express my gratitude to all of you for being here and for supporting all of us in this incredible journey. Now, I know that I can speak for myself and my fellow contestants when I say that Telangana has shown us that they empower women, that they support women, and that they invest in women. It is so important for our countries to be doing this. After all, it is 50% of the world's population. And when we invest in women, we're investing in their children, their communities, and everybody around them. And I also hope that by being here today, not only do I represent my country in this pageant, but I can strengthen the diplomatic relationship that the United States has always had with India. After all, the United States Constitution and the Indian Constitution both start with we, the people. So I'm so excited to get to know the people of Telangana. And I do want to say, Nenu Ninu Primistunanu Telangana.
In language of India, the Hindi, and the local language of Telangana. Amazing, you remember that. I want everyone, please put your hands together for that. Ma'am, I would like to hand over the mic to you.
I'm Guadalupe Lomar and I'm from Argentina.
I never thought that being so far away from home, I will feel so welcome. So I would like to thank the governance and the people from Telangana for making us all feel at home in a place where we are really far away from home. So thank you. And I also would like to thank all of you, because of you have gave us a beautiful experience and you gave us the opportunity to live the culture of Telangana. It's amazing to have the opportunity to walk towards history and to experience through taste, through feelings, and also through gaze. So thank you so much for receiving us and for making us feel so welcome. Thank you.
Beautiful contestants who are here today. So I just want you to do this and say Taggedele. So ma'am, you can do the honors.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, ma'am. You guys are looking fabulous, and I would like to hand over.
Good night, everyone. I'm Carol Rodriguez, and I'm coming from Panama. And something that I really appreciate from India, especially Hyderabad, because it's the first time I am ever to Asia in general, is that in Panama, we have a lot of cultures, a lot of nations mixed in one little piece of land, and we all feel like family. We receive everyone with open arms, and that's why I'm feeling here in India since the day one. From the very first moment I stepped out of the airport, people really showed love to us. And I can appreciate more everything that you're doing for us. Look at all these beautiful people here. You are here because of us, and you're showing love, kindness, passion for your country, for your state. And I'm really grateful for that. And I hope that you all enjoy as much as we're doing the 72nd edition of Miss World, which are going to be amazing. I feel like this is one of the most amazing editions that Miss World has ever had. And I hope that you really enjoy and live the experience with all of us, because it's not only about us, it's about Telangana and Indian people. Thank you so much.
Thank you. हम सब के होश उड़ा दिए, हम सब होश में आने ही वाले थे, आप फिर से मुस्कुरा दिए. So that's a wonderful which goes with you all. So yes,
thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for sharing your experiences with us. And I humbly request all my friend participants, please put your hands together and give a grand round of applause to our guests. Thank you very much. Now it's a time to presentation of
down. Please give a huge round of applause for all the beauty pageants joining us here on the stage.
Miss Argentina, Miss Belgium, Bolivia, Miss Brazil, Miss Canada, Miss Chile, Miss Colombia, Miss Ecuador, Miss El Salvador, Miss Guatemala, Miss మొత్తం 20 మంది ప్రపంచ సుందరి పోటీల్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసేటటువంటి వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా వేదిక మీద ఉన్నారు. వరంగల్ అంటేనే ఆ పేరులోనే ఒక వైబ్రేషన్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి అంత గొప్ప వైబ్రేషన్ ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రాంతం ఈ వరంగల్ ప్రాంతం. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినటువంటి ప్రపంచ సుందరీమణి పోటీదారులందరికీ కూడా గౌరవ మంత్రివర్యులు సావనీర్ని, అలాగే ఈ ప్రాంతపు సంస్కృతికి తెలియచేసేలా చక్కటి పుస్తకాలని వాటిన్నింటినీ కూడా ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పార్టిసిపేట్ అయినటువంటి మీ అందరికీ కూడా వందన శ్రీ చందనాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాం.
So yes, on the stage today, our Honorable Minister is going to felicitate all the wonderful Miss World Beauty pageants. And I want everyone who's sitting there, if you can please give a huge round of applause as
ఘట్టం ఆవిష్కృతమైంది. ప్రపంచ సుందరి పోటీల్లో పాల్గొనేటటువంటి సుందరీమణులందరూ కూడా చారిత్రాత్మకమైనటువంటి ఓరుగల్లు మహానగరంలో వరంగల్ కోటలో ఉన్నారు. ఇక్కడ ప్రతి శిల ఒక చరిత్రను చెబుతోంది. ఇక్కడ ప్రతి శిల్పంలో ఒక చరిత్ర దాక్కుని ఉంటుంది. ఇది మన పూర్వీకులు పాలించినటువంటి
ये चाचा, पीछे भी